Okay, in today's tech video, I'll show you guys a drone that is being used as a crop duster to spray over the corn like that. Check that out. Sorry about the dog barking, my wife just let him out. But right there, that drone is flying over the corn. And this is the way that they're doing crop dusting. They used to use airplanes. Now they're using drones. Like I can see, it may be hard to tell on this video, but there's a mist coming out of that drone. Now it's a larger size drone. That's not like your DJI drone there, but wow. That's pretty fascinating. So this is a way that they are now trying to improve the way that they do crops and corn. I guess with any kind of crop dusting, but very interesting.